Hello everyone. So glad you could join me again today. Welcome back to the channel. This is video 7 of the Merry Christmas Gnomes. You can see where we finished the top, still have all the bottom to do. And we are going to be working on this rectangular spot today. As always, please subscribe. It's absolutely free. There's no cost to you. Hit the bell notification only if you want to be notified when I release videos. And leave a comment, suggestions, ideals. Start with the letter N. And please make the comment like where you reside, what country, etc., so on. Please make it 7 words or longer. Otherwise, YouTube does not really recognize it and does not credit our channels. Otherwise, I hope everyone is doing well today, or as well as can be expected. Do hit the thumbs up too. Alright, number 6 will be next. Okay. I believe that's it on the large amounts. Really appreciate you all coming and joining me today. Hope you enjoy this video. And as I said, this is video 7. We're working with number 6 right now. Alright, then we're going to the letter A. And we have groupings, so we are going to use the larger stylus. These are the fake deer horns that I had mentioned in the gnome is wearing deer horns. So that looks like all, nope, I see a number, I see 4 right there. I use the large stylus for large groups. Then I switch to the manageable stylus for the smaller groups. Less likely to get my adhesive caught into the adhesive of the painting that way. Come on, release. Thank you. Don't know what your deal was. Okay. still see another grouping right there? No. Sorry about that. Can be a little frustrating at times. All right, now single. Release. Why? Don't mind me. Because seriously, it doesn't need to hang on that hard. Come on, release. There we go. Have to practically twist the stylus off to get it to stay on the adhesive underneath. Right. Okay, I'm going to take off a little bit more. See if that actually helps. It appears to. Nope, not on that one. I'm not sure if the slight differences in the roundness of the drills or the sizes can be slightly different on each drill, if that has something to do with it not liking to release or not. I just know it can be quite challenging and definitely feels like a technical difficulty when it happens. All right, and I do believe that is it of the letter A. Then we're going to do the letter Y. Okay. Just working on some singular ones since I have the stylus right here, and there's always single ones to be done. Okay, now we're going to look at, let me fill in one more of them, look at groupings. Whoops, stay. Come on, do not do this to me. Okay. Are you kidding me? All right, maybe I need to adjust the clay amount on the stylus. Okay. Let's see if that helps a little. Unfortunately, when I used it for only 2, it does shove the clay around, and then it causes it to be thicker in the middle, and that it can contribute to the fact that it doesn't like to discharge off from the stylus because the clay is thicker than it should be. So, okay. do a quick check through, and I believe that is all of the Y's. Next, we're going to work with the L. Okay, letter L. Going to have to shake these out a little bit because I do not have any lines. Okay. Still see another one right there. Okay. I believe that is it of the L's. And now we have the letter F. Okay, yeah, I did grab one. Okay. And I believe that is on the F. Now the letter P. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if I do end up missing some of these. So, there's always ones that we end up having to hijack because of there's just so many. So, it's so easy to miss when you have tons of letters to go through. Okay, well, it looks like all the P's we have are in this area. So, I'm going to put one there, put one there, and then I guess I'm going to do groupings, see where we get with those. Okay. And then next we're going to the letter O. So, whoops, did not take. Huh. Okay. I was trying to do groupings first, like tend to start where whatever way up my stylus is, or I should say way down. This is the background, the fireplace not necessarily mantle. Mantle means the top part, but it's the side of the fireplace that we are doing right now. Okay. Oh. All right. I missed the number 6 right there. So first I'm going to grab just a small hair of clay because I have almost no clay now at all on my stylist. And I'm going to hijack the 6 because I'm pretty sure we did 6s, and that's all by itself. All right, now we're going to do the letter R. Okay. So I discovered a really neat trick. Soda back in my day was not as sweet as it is now. Now it's practically syrup. The sugar is so immense that even my son says that sodas taste like sugar. And I like soda, but not the modern day soda. So I've learned this little trick that if I buy seltzer water and then I cut it with soda, I like it a lot better. Like the soda tastes good. So I usually do like a quarter soda pop. In the area I grew up, it was called soda pop. And I put it in with seltzer water, which is carbonated water, and it tastes so good that way. Like, the sweetness is like really, really cut way down. So if you miss soda of days of old, and now I only do it with Sprite soda. So I'm sure 7-Up and any of them would be the same. Now, if you went to do it with, per se, a brown soda, which I wouldn't recommend drinking anyways, but like Pepsi or Coca-Cola or root beer or any of them, I couldn't guarantee how it would taste. But any clear soda, like, I don't think they call it Sierra Mist anymore. It's a new name. And 7-Up, Sprite, any of them. But yeah, they definitely taste so much better when I cut it with the seltzer water, because it's not like drinking sugar. I'm not a fan of that much sugar. All right, so that appears to be the R's. I missed an O right there, so I'm gonna hijack it all. Hijack it and put it in. There we are. Then we're gonna do the number 9. All right. Let's see now. Unfortunately, they did not give a lot of the number 9. Like, I am actually starting to run low in it, which is crazy because usually they overgive all the colors, like by lots and lots, but not this number 9. They were very frugal on how many they gave. You know, it's not unusual to have like a good 20 to hundreds more of a color. Left over. But yeah, they definitely were very frugal with this particular one. Maybe the machine was not allotting the amount that it should have been. Not quite sure. So, just makes it a little bit harder to do the fill-ins. All right. No, come off. There. Okay. That does the number 9. Then we're going to do the number 8. And I believe I can use the big stylus. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. There we go. 5 again. Okay. Whoops. Okay. All right. And I believe the rest I can do with the small stylus. Just checking around to make sure they're not hanging out anywhere else. Whoops. There's one. Okay. And then we got smaller groupings. Okay, and one more. All right. And then we have the letter X. All right. This is very limited on how many they used, so all right. I see a letter R that got missed that I need to fill in. So I'm going to have to hijack an R and put that puppy in. And there it is. Okay, then we're going to work with the letter C, we have big groupings there of them. So we're going to be using the larger stylus to help fill those in, because it just makes better sense. All right. Come on. There we go. We have to do a shake out. I know they're a bit distracting when I do them, but completely necessary. So, 5. Oh, well, I guess I should have just did the 6. I am not arguing with them drills. Absolutely ridiculous that they won't come off. Okay. 4 more right here. Okay, now I can move to the smaller stylus. First I'll do some singulars. Get those filled in. Whoops. Come on. Really? Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta have those technical difficulties, don't you know? Okay. Now, that was interesting. We're going to move to the letter J. And we're going to put this one, the letter C, back. We have a lot of singular J's. Okay. All right. I guess not as many as I thought. Although I did find a number 4, and we're going to hijack that and put it in because we've already done it. So, right there. No, we didn't. We did not do number 4. Look at that. There's a few more right there. So we could actually do them now, since there's only a few of them. Indeed. 4 total. Okay. And next we're going to do the letter E. I'm hoping the battery power in my phone stays out to get this video finished. So I'm hoping to get myself moving here and getting them done. Quite a few E's. Okay, there is a cluster, and We have another cluster right there. Whoops, is not unloading. There, I got it. There's another one right there. Okay, that appears to be it on the E. Now we're gonna do the letter T. So, apparently there are highlights of the lighting. Oh, I missed an X too. Okay, well, it is what it is. We'll just hijack one when we get to it, because it's right there. And I know I did the X. I thought I had gotten them all. So, just goes to show you, you can easily miss them. Okay, so this is T. And we're going to hijack an X and put it in where it belongs. Okay, then we're going to work with letter K. And that's right here. Don't have a huge amount of them, but we have enough. They must be part of the side of the fireplace as well, the mantle, you could say. I know the mantle is the top. I'm just using it as a general reference. Okay. Now I did miss a letter J right there. So I'm going to have to hijack one, put it in. All right. Then we're going to do the number 2. And a lot of the number 2s are in with the outside background color. Okay? Which is over in here. That one does not want to unload. Whoops, that was a grouping. Huh. Well then. Ha ha ha. Did not come off. Whoops. Don't know what's up with that. That should have never went off. I did not touch it. Unless my tablet is also, the battery could be running dead, which it is. So I think I'm going to be splicing this video together. And I'm going to stop right there. Hi everyone, I'm back from that interruption. And I will be merging both videos together. I'm working on number 7 right now. And then we're going to be doing number 3. So my pad went dead. And my phone was running low on charges as well. So, number 3 now. Which can happen, you know. I try to remember to charge my pad after every so many videos, but sometimes I forget. So, but luckily enough, I still managed to deal with it. I believe there's a U and a D in that area. So let's go ahead and do U first. I don't think I've used the letter U on this yet. So that's going to be just a little different. Okay. Just trying to do some larger groupings. It makes it so it goes by just a little bit faster. And also H. So got quite a few different colors of green going on this time. Come on, discharge, would ya? Okay. Quite annoying. No guarantees on whether or not the drills are going to cooperate, even though I removed much of the, boy, I'll tell you, even the little tiniest bit of adhesive is affecting these drills. Okay. All right. Come on. Now I'm going to have trouble with that one. Stop whining, Coffee. He has been in a tizzy. Not quite sure why. Probably wants to play and none of the other cats are interested. Okay, now we're going to go with the letter D, which is another shade of green. Okay. All right. Come on. Did not release. Okay. 1 of 6 for right there. And then 1 of, okay, 4 for right here. Okay. Then just do these singles will be next. Okay. Then we have the letter H right there. Okay. Which is another green. Just 2 of those. And then we have the letter V. Okay. And 2. And then all we have left is the letter S. Okay. far as rows go. Don't know why it didn't let loose on that. Hard telling. Come on. You know what? I think the one beside it is corrupted with some, yep. It's, the plastic has got a piece sticking out on it, and it is blocking the adhesive for that letter. And that's the problem right there. There. And once I removed it, voila, no problems. So, sometimes even the drills have a flaw that can create a problem. Okay, and then 5. And none of them wants to stick. Oh, goodness gracious. Well then. Okay, let's see if we can get 3 of them to hopefully stick. Sometimes. Right? Okay. Still having a little bit of issue there. I cannot believe how bad this adhesive is on this one. Because if I allow any larger amount of adhesive on the pen, it will not discharge onto the adhesive on the canvas. That's how poor this adhesive is. Well then. Which is really questionable. So, just doing a little bit of fill-in right now. Okay. Well then, like I said, unbelievably poor. All right, another shake out here to try to get enough drills. And as I was saying, this is the continuum of video 7. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Absolutely free, no cost to you. Hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment, questions, concerns. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, see you then.